Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing keyboard settings, how to configure Gboard and how to install a new keyboard. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. Go to settings, select the settings icon, go to apps, go down, select keyboard. Go to current keyboard, you can see current keyboard is Gboard. Let me go to Gboard settings. In this Gboard settings we can change the keyboard language. Okay, so let me go to languages, select languages. So here we can see the first option, use system languages. If you select it, system will automatically change keyboard language to system language. Okay, so right now the system language is English UK, so keyboard also will be in the English UK. So if you want to add multiple languages to keyboard, first we have to disable this option. See, then from this list we can add many languages. Let me add one language for now. Let me add Hindi from the list. Okay, so now you can see I have selected two languages, English UK and Hindi. Let me go to home screen and test it. Let me go to the search. Let me open the keyboard. See, here we can see one keyboard language switch button. Select it. Using that button we can change keyboard language. See, now we are seeing Hindi, now see English. So this way we can change the keyboard language using this language button. Okay, so this way we can add multiple languages to keyboard. So let me go back to that keyboard settings here, then go to the last option, manage keyboards. So here we can see multiple keyboards. So here we can see one new keyboard called Learn Key keyboard. So this is a keyboard which I installed from Play Store. You can just search in the Play Store and install it. Okay, so I am going to change keyboard to this Learn Key keyboard. So first we have to enable here. Let me enable this keyboard here. Done. Then go to current keyboard. See, now we can see two options in current keyboard. The currently active keyboard is Gboard. So let me change that to Learn Key keyboard. Done. So now I have changed the keyboard. Let me check it. Again, go to home screen, go to the search field. See, now we can see the new keyboard. So these are the keyboard settings. So this way we can change keyboard language, and we can install and activate new keyboard. Okay, so please check it.